Right?
I want to welcome you to Let's Talk Nigeria.
Let's talk Nigeria. Our favorite Facebook internet talk show.
So today we are talking about the CBN, the Apex Bank in Nigeria.
That is headed by Lamido
Sanusi.
that primary school boy. The primary school boy,
And
today we are talking about 5,000 naira notes
versus
cashless economy, and we want to look at some details, that it will interest you to know.
Because in a situation whereby this governor of the CBN is saying we are trying to follow cashless economy, also bringing the idea
of
printing a 5,000
naira single note. The guy must be a primary school boy. Now let's begin to look at the details. First of all, what is a cashless economy? In the cashless economy, it means that you don't carry physical cash around. You can use your ATM to transfer money. You can use your checkbooks. You can use the POS machine, to pay for goods and services. Now, and you do that by de-emphasizing the use of physical cash. Now, for example, if you want to pay 1 million naira for a good, and the highest denomination, let's say, is 20 naira, it will be very, very hard for you to carry 20 naira, cash, 1 million. But now it will be very easy for you to carry 100 million, 5,000 naira note. So that's why we are here to tell our brother Uncle Sanusi that he looks to us like a primary school child.
The idea of the 5,000 naira to me, is nothing to write to me about.
The guy is not serious.
Because you are trying to change the economy into something. Okay, we'll be carrying cash up and down. Now imagine that if I'm to hold 100,000 naira, for example,
5,000 naira pieces,
100,000 naira, and you're telling me to go with cashless economy, but I know that it's 5,000 naira. If I should put it in my pocket, nobody will know that I'm holding money.
Now, to have 5,000 naira notes, to have, for example, 100 naira notes, 100,000 naira. If you want to have it in 5,000 naira notes, how many notes are we going to have?
With 100 of 1,000, we have 10,000. That is a bale in 10 pieces. Now with 5,000 naira, that will be 50,000. Just have 2 bales in your pocket,
and you move.
And you can
go anywhere. And you can go to all the parties in Abuja and spend 100 million from your purse, from your pocket.
And that will be easy access for
money laundering.
And for it to embezzle more.
And put, for example, Nigerians here, we do a lot of parties. I won't be surprised if 5,000 note is launched, and during the next campaign of maybe PDP or ACN, you see them sharing 5,000. I will not be surprised. We will not be surprised. That's why we are here to tell Uncle Sanusi, the primary school graduate. It's a primary school graduate. Now, you want to do cashless policy. You de-emphasize carrying physical cash. You keep de-emphasizing it so that people will see money as being cumbersome to carry. Now, what is wrong with making 20 naira or 15 naira the highest denomination in Nigeria? What's wrong with it? Let's even look at it. Armed robbers will not rob you when they know that you are just carrying like 2 pieces of 15 naira. They will rob you. Nobody will rob you.
In advanced countries, even the Ghana we are talking about has removed 2 zeros from
they decimalize the currency
so that they will have a little amount of money to be carrying up and down.
Then you use your
ATM. Why use ATM for us to even step up our game? We are trying to reduce. Nigeria, we are not moving forward. We are not stagnant. It's like we are now reversing.
We are seriously in a full speed.
We are reversing.
We are retarded. And we are not happy with the situation. That's why we are saying all these things we are saying. Look, I said. One day I was just imagining that, let's say the highest denomination is 15 naira or 20 naira, and I have like 5 pieces of 15 naira. Nobody will rob me. But when I have 5,000 notes in my purse or in my pocket or in my hand, somebody will be bold enough to try to collect it. But if it's 15 naira, nobody will.
5,000 you are talking about now.
No, nobody will rob you. Even thieves the pickpocket they will reduce because nobody will rob anybody. Because you know that this guy is standing beside you is just carrying like maybe 100 naira, 2 pieces of 15 naira. Every other thing is in the ATM.
And you can't be forced, even if your ATM is collected.
Nobody can force you to vomit your pen.
If you drop your pin, they can't go to the ATM and take you to the ATM where the public place
nobody
and start forcing you to withdraw your money.
Nobody will do that.
But with 5,000 naira,
we say about pickpocketing. We just improve. Now imagine a situation. Maybe a guy is working in a factory, 10,000 naira in a month. He now collects 2 pieces of 5,000 naira notes. He now takes a molu from Moshodi to Alagbado. You know the way they will stack people. You be holding something, standing, and like 5 people are behind him, and somebody now remove the
1 piece.
1 piece. What will happen to the guy? The guy will not die immediately. But if it's a 20 naira note, he won't be able to carry the 10,000 naira. So he will rather use his bank, and So we are telling Uncle Sanusi, unless he has, in fact, not that unless, we know he has ulterior motives. We know he has ulterior motives concerning 5,000.
I asked one of the bankers. He says Sanusi kind of person that is very. He wants to stand on what he says he wants to do, which is rubbish. You have advisors that are there to advise you. You are trying to, you first of all, you try to do Islamic banking.
We keep the basic.
There are this area in Nigeria whereby
religious activity
is happening in some part of the country,
and we just have to take it solo.
It's now like with everything that you have to reduce the alert on the Islamic banking, but you still approve some banks, though. Now you now brought the issue of 5,000 naira notes.
In fact, in my own opinion, sincerely, in my own opinion, Sanusi is a primary school graduate. Do you understand?
You have masters in blah blah.
Don't mind them.
All those masters, all those BSc.
See, do you know one thing I also have discovered about this certificate thing? A lot of people, even in Nigeria, they finish school, they have not collected their certificate, and they have been working with the certificate up till now. I can tell you that happens. So having master is not a big deal in Nigeria. It's allowed. You get your master 15 years later, you are still working with master and you don't have the certificate. It's very okay.
It's very okay. To be sincere, the tenure of this CBN governor is even worse, because it's your tenure that you have high rate of unemployment, because the amount of staff that were laid off in banks.
And what they told us is trying to frame up.
He's trying to frame up
the banking
he's
sector.
He's trying to change the face of banking sector. For crying out loud.
He has changed it. Actually, he has changed it. Many people are now jobless. Many people have lost their money. So he has actually changed it.
Well, since I'm bold enough to know my name, how to write my name. Your tenure as CBN governor has been the worst.
It has been. So Sanusi, please. We are telling
CBN
you. There was a day I was reading his profile. I think the guy studied Sharia or something.
He had Islamic studies or something.
And that's another.
He had a certificate in Islamic studies.
Now that's another thing about putting people in sensitive positions in Nigeria. Like we always say, there's no Nigerian way of doing things. That's only a good way of doing things. When you put people who not lead to. Let me say, because I'm not going to say he doesn't know anything about banking.
He has worked with First Bank before.
Of course. Now he knows lead to about these things. We should people that know what they are doing. I mean, the issue of cashless policy and 5,000 naira notes is something. I'm not a banker, but I know that with introduction of 5,000 naira notes, fraud will increase. Robbery will increase. Then cashless policy will be defeated, totally defeated, because I can carry 100 million in my purse with 5,000 naira notes. So simple, common sense just tells me that you want to do a cashless policy, make money cumbersome to carry. If it is cumbersome to carry, nobody will carry physical cash around. Then use your brain. No, because use your brain.
When I heard about the cashless economy, I was thinking, okay, the first time I heard of it, I was thinking there won't be 1,000 naira again. Wow, that's
maybe there will be not 500 naira again.
Maybe
fantastic.
The highest we just
maybe like 200 naira,
200 naira, or at least maximum 500 naira.
You know.
But I don't bring in 5,000 naira.
And very soon we want to introduce 10,000 naira notes. Very soon we go to 20. So, Nigeria would like to move in AP, GP, geometric progression. Like to make so please, if you know Uncle Sanusi, if you know his house, and you are his friend, please tell him.
If he's still trying to emphasize on the 5,000,
tell him it's not serious. It's not serious. It's a primary school graduate
that will encourage the economy.
So please help us tell him. He's not serious.
Doing things, well.
He's not serious.
You are good. Eh?
We know you are brilliant, but you are not serious. You don't know what you are doing.
Whack.
They are whack. Please dump it. Thank you. See you next time.